So what's the best way to make $100 a day or more online? That seems to be the magic number that everyone's trying to hit when starting a business online or just trying to make money in general. A lot of people think that it's impossible to make this type of money, but I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making money online. And I'm even going to show you proof that I'm making at least $100 a day online with my business. I'm going to show you not only like the fast way to do it, but the long-term way where you set up this system that pays you forever and ever, okay? I know a lot of people are just trying to make quick money online, but what I teach guys is a long-term sustainable business, and that's exactly what I want to show you in this video. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to start an online business, how to grow a following on YouTube and TikTok, and many, many more videos. So if you guys want to subscribe, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. And guys, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would really appreciate that. But guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you leave the 9 to 5 so you can achieve financial freedom. I was able to leave my electrical engineering job in March of 2020. I started my business May of 2019. So 9 months I was able to leave my 9 to 5 job as an electrical engineer. And that's the main goal of my channel, is to help you do the same. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you proof first of how I'm making the money, and then I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started as well. Okay, so the first one, guys, is ClickFunnels. Okay, this is one of my main affiliate programs I like to promote. It's one of the tools I promote. You can see here MMR. This stands for monthly recurring revenue. So this is a software that people pay per month. So you can see here I'm making $1,300 a month. This is passive income. This is money that comes in every single month, no matter what, unless somebody cancels, right? And you can see here that's $1,300 a month, and then this is another $300 potential because I have 4 people that are currently trialing. Okay, that means they're using the program for 14 days, and then if they stay on the program, I get the monthly recurring revenue. So this is potentially $1,600 a month just with one of my affiliate programs. Okay, here's another one here. This is actually my Stripe account. You can see in the month of May I did a little over $7,000. Now with this Stripe account, this is multiple affiliate programs that I promote that goes into one account. Okay, this is just one of my accounts here. Another one I want to show you is my GetResponse account. This one's not as high, but you can see in the month of May, $176. June, $81. So this is all reoccurring monthly revenue as well, because this is a software, right? So software is one of my favorites because it's reoccurring. Okay, let me just show you a few more. This is my Bluehost account. You can see here $425. And this one's also monthly reoccurring revenue. If someone's on the monthly plan, they also have a yearly plan, okay? So how do I do this? How do I actually make money? As you can see, this is much more than $100 a month, but $100 a month is my main goal for you, right? If you can hit that $100 a month, it's really easy to kind of scale from there, okay? It's getting that mindset, that belief system that you can make, $100 a day, okay? Once you hit that $100 a day, then you hit the $1,000 a day marks, okay? Once you hit that $1,000 a day, you can scale from there, but I want to get you to that $100 a day. So what are we doing? How am I making this income? Okay, so really simply, guys, I'm creating content in a blog form. Okay, so for example, this is my blog right here. Okay, Passive Income Lifestyles blog. You can see I'm writing these reviews. Okay, but there's a certain way to do this. I want to show you exactly how to do this. That you pretty much get started today, and you can start creating your blog. Okay, now I do have a training where I go step by step how to do the blog, but I want to show you the system first. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how I do this, and then I'll get into the actual training. Okay, so for example, if you scroll down, I have this blog right here, top 7 tools for affiliate marketing. Okay, this is a perfect example here. Okay, so if I go to this, I'm going to open up this article here. In this article, I'm going to talk about the tools that you need for affiliate marketing, okay? Now, what's cool about this is if you scroll down, I talk about certain tools that you need, right? So you need Bluehost, okay? Second one is ClickFunnels, right? One of the programs that I was talking about here, right? This is one of the programs I promote here. And if I go back to the article, that's the second one. Third one is GetResponse, right? That was another one I talked about here, okay? Now, the cool thing about this is I have a ton of tools, a ton of resources that I'm helping people with. But here's where I'm making the money, right? When people actually go and it says click here to get your ClickFunnels for free for 14 days, they click this link and you can see this is an affiliate link. They sign up for ClickFunnels and I get someone to sign up, right? And then that's monthly recurring revenue. Sorry about that. So that's monthly recurring revenue. So I love software. I love programs that pay monthly, because what happens is people get on here and then they pay for monthly for life for the most part. Okay, you can see here there's a ton of other programs I promote, but I just want to show you the paid ones. Okay, the paid ones like ClickFunnels, GetResponse, stuff like that. Okay, so you can see here I have a ton of blogs that people are searching, that people are actually going to, and they're clicking my links. Okay, now how do we do this? Okay, I kind of want to show you a secret method that I use to get people to find my blogs. Okay, so there's a and this is super beginner friendly. Okay, so there's a website called Answer the Public. Okay, answerthepublic.com. Okay, now if you go to Answer the Public and type in something like ClickFunnels or whatever you want to promote, you can go over here and see what people are typing in. Literally like hundreds and hundreds of different types of keywords that people are typing. Okay, so you can see why I love ClickFunnels, why you need ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels what they need, ClickFunnels what is a funnel. Okay, you can literally take these articles and start writing about them. Okay, so what I like to do is use one of these keywords and then create a blog about it, and then inside of the blog then you have you can go ahead and add your link in there. Okay, now what you can do is once you sign up for ClickFunnels, right? So let's just say you want to be an affiliate for ClickFunnels. You just go to Google and type in how to be a ClickFunnels affiliate. You can sign up, stuff like that. Once you become an affiliate, you can start promoting like stuff like this, right? 14-day trial. They have other products in here. You can see Funnel Secret Strategy, 14-day trial. You literally get this link right here, and then you add that in your blog. Okay, now you can also do things like banner ads, right? So you can add these images inside of your blog, right? So for example, if I go back to the example here, I can add this photo here, which I probably should have done in this case, but I can go ahead and do that, right? Because then it's gonna be a large photo of like how to sign up, right? And then that photo here, for example, if I were to add this photo here, they would click that and that would go to my affiliate link and people would buy. Okay, super simple, guys. Now, how do we do this? How do we make it happen, right? So we find our keyword here, and then all we got to do is have a WordPress website where we add our blogs. Okay, now I'm going to show you real quick. This won't be the full step-by-step training. That's a full hour video, but I will link that down below if you guys want to see my full training on how to create a blog. But real quick, once you have the blog, this is my WordPress backend website. Okay, so you can see I have all my blogs here. And to create a blog, all you do is go to post and then add new. Okay, and then inside of here, you're going to go ahead and add the keyword. Okay, it's pretty simple here. You just go to add new. Let's just say you want to go with one of these keywords, right? When to use ClickFunnels, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to copy that and then put that in my WordPress blog. Okay, so when to use ClickFunnels. Obviously, you can make this prettier, capitalize the first word, stuff like that. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now, but you can go ahead and start writing out your blog. Now, a lot of people don't know how to write a blog, right? It's like, well, what do I even write about? Okay, so what I like to do is go to a website called iWriter, iWriter.com. Okay. Now you can go to iWriter. This is just to start getting content out, guys, because this method is a long term. It'll last forever. Okay, you're creating these assets online when you're creating these blogs. Okay, so it's a little slow at first, but if you stay consistent, I promise you that you're gonna see a ton of results. Okay, I promise you that as long as you stay consistent. Now, what I want you to do, a lot of people get bogged down. Okay, well, I don't even know what to write. Right? They're looking at this page. I'm like, I don't know what to write. So what I like to do, guys, is I go to this website called iWriter, and you can literally order, you can have people write for you, okay? It's actually a really cheap price, okay? So if I go to pricing here, you can see, for a 1,500 word blog, it's $12, okay? A 1,000 word blog, it's $8. All you do is order, you tell them what the keyword is, what you want them to write about, and they're going to write it for you. Now, that's the standard. If you want higher quality, you're going to pay a little bit more, okay? So that's just something that you want to keep in mind. But what I want you to do is start creating content around the affiliate programs you're trying to promote. And this works for anything, right? This works for ClickFunnels, GetResponse. You can go over here and literally, if I go to Answer the Public, and let me go to the main website again. And let's just type in get response, okay? Let's just see what we get. So if I go over here and type in get response, okay, so you can see here that's going to give me a ton of keywords on what to write about. Okay, you literally have infinite things to write about because people that's taking the data from Google. It's actually giving you everything you need to be able to write something, right? So you can see here how to get response to submit in JavaScript, how to get response API. Okay, so there's so many things. Okay, let's see here, how can get response. Okay, I don't think it's taking the actual. I should have put the words together actually, but what I'm saying is you can grab this data and start writing about it in an article. Okay, so really, really important. I'm going to say this. I should have done that right here because get responses together. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to go back here, and once I have my article, let me just show you kind of what it looks like, okay? Because I just finished an article on other affiliate programs that I promote, on ClickBank, stuff like that. So for example, this one I just actually wrote yesterday, the Asiago system, right? Like whatever program you're trying to promote, this is what it's going to look like after you're done, okay? So you can see, you know, I have my keywords in here. It looks nice, and I have some pictures in here. You can see everything's done in here. Okay, so I have a video in there. You don't have to add a video, but I have that. But right here, I'm going to have links. Okay, these links go to certain programs that I promote, and that's how I make my money. Okay, really, really simple. Okay, and that's how you do it, guys. That's how you make $100 a day. Once you do that, you can start scaling up from there, right? Then you get your confidence to start making $1,000 a day, right? And then $10,000 a day. I haven't had my $10,000 a day yet, but I know it's coming because I'm just going to continue what I've been doing, and I'm going to make that $10,000 a day. I'll let you guys know when I hit that, but I will do that because I'm continuing to snowball, right? So I started. You have to start somewhere, right? And then as you continue doing it, you're going to snowball effect. You're going to start making more and more money, okay? Now, how do we do this? How do we even create a website? I do have a step-by-step training, so I'm going to link that down below in the YouTube video. But this is it, guys. This is literally what you do, okay? You create a blog on these articles, on these topics, and you can see I have tons and tons of blogs that I've written already because I know the power of blogging, right? Now, the reason I'm talking about blogging is because a lot of people don't want to create a YouTube channel, TikTok, Pinterest, which is mostly what I talk about on my channel, but with a blog you can still reach so much more people, right? Because on Google there's like billions and billions of searches every single minute, every single hour, right? So you can take some of this traffic, funnel it into your website, and go to the affiliate links you want. Okay, so that's what I want to teach you guys. If you want my step-by-step on how to start a blog from beginning to end, that's going to be linked down below. But if you have any questions, please reach out to me, guys. And I hope this video was of value to you. I just wanted to show you exactly what I'm doing in my business to make, $100 a day or more with affiliate marketing. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Reach out to me in my Facebook group on Facebook. I'm pretty active when I can. But you guys have a great day. God bless, and we'll talk soon.